The scene is Lucas Oil Stadium in Indianapolis. The Colts play host to the Jacksonville Jaguars, an AFC South showdown.
Let's go! Let's go, baby! Let's go!
To win 8 in a row, you got to win the first one. To win 8 in a row, you got to win the first one. Give me everything you got. Win by 50, win by 2. It doesn't matter. Let's find a way to get it done.
Do what you do, do what you do, do what you do, do what you do, and I'm going to do what the f*** I do. Yeah. And we're going to go out here and win this game.
Playmaker, come on.
I'm always going to
Your boy back, let's go.
Hey, man, we back. It's been a long bye week, man. Ready to get back on the winning thing, man. And then it starts here in Indy, division rivalry, man. Let's get it.
And this is a must-win game. You can't afford to lose a division game, I don't think, the rest of the way.
Dropping the throw is Luck again. Fires deep downfield, wide open. Got a receiver wide open. That's a bust in coverage inside the 20, inside the 15-yard line. Dives for the pylon. That's a touchdown. Shotgun, he drops the throw. Bortles looks, fires deep down the field. Wants Dante Moncrief. Dante has the catch into Colts territory, still on his feet. Along the right sideline, inside the 20, to the 10, to the 5, into the end zone. Touchdown. Bortles to Dante Moncrief for the score.
That's a great throw by Bortles now. That one was absolutely on the money. Hit him in stride.
80-yard touchdown pass from Bortles to Dante Moncrief, who burns his former team.
Hey, that's one a minute, all right?
Viable.
Hey, that's one a
Under center, they run a reverse to Ebron, and he is going to get into the end zone. They ran a reverse to the tight end. They blitz. He drops the throw, fires the corner of the end zone. Ebron is wide open again. Nobody anywhere near him for the touchdown. He ran that same corner route to the right. They caught Jacksonville in a blitz.
Let's go! Let's go! One touchdown!
Let's put one together now, same thing.
Play fake. They fake a reverse as well. Then they throw a screen to Fournette, all kind of room, to the 30, to the 25, to the 20. Leonard Fournette breaks a tackle to the 10, to the 5-yard line. Leonard Fournette on a screen pass, got it all the way to the 4-yard line of the Indianapolis Colts. Third and goal from the 1-yard line. It's on the left hash. The give to Fournette, tries the right side, Leonard into the end zone, touchdown. A 1-yard touchdown run by Leonard Fournette.
Big drive right there. Good job.
Play fake. Goes to the back of the end zone. Caught for the touchdown. Another tight end, Mo Alley Cox, makes the catch. Dropping the throw again is Blake. Pump fake. Throws it to TJ Yeldon on a little check down. TJ gets it inside the 45, gets out of bounds, inside the 35-yard line. Nice work by TJ Yeldon. He'll stop the clock with 1:10 to play in the half. Cook gets it down. Lambeau kicks it up. And the field goal is good. With 5 seconds to play, Josh Lambeau good from 28 yards, and the score is 29-16 Indianapolis.
That's a good job by the Jaguars offense. It wasn't the prettiest 2-minute drive, but, offensively you can say, all right, we're in it.
Indianapolis 29, Jacksonville 16. We've reached the half.
Everything you got, whatever it is, you got inside you.
All right.
Cook puts it down. It's a fake. And they throw it, and that's caught by O'Shaughnessy. He has to make a man miss and dive forward. He's got the first down. They faked it. Cook, the holder, threw it to James O'Shaughnessy. He leaned forward, and he's going to have a first down for Jacksonville. Shotgun on 2nd and 9. Play fake. Blake looks, runs away from trouble, rolls to his right, looks downfield, fires. That ball's caught by O'Shaughnessy. Nice work by Blake Bortles that time. Got away from trouble, rolled to the right, hit his tight end. That's going to be a first down inside the 15-yard line. Dropping the throw is Blake. Fires middle of the field. Caught by D.D. Westbrook. Lunging for the goal line. They'll mark him down at the 1-yard line, but that's a first down Jacksonville. Rolling right. They throw it to Fournette in the end zone. Touchdown. A 1-yard touchdown pass from Bortles to Leonard Fournette. And Jacksonville scores here in the third.
Field goal.
Good job.
Roll pass, huh?
Yeah.
That's a good stuff.
All right, come on now. We need to go get us a takeaway. We need to go stop them at least, okay, and get us a takeaway.
Play fake. Throwing downfield, wide open, and picked off by Telvin Smith after it went in and out of the hands of Mo Alley Cox. What an athletic interception by Telvin. What a play by Telvin Smith.
Hey, that was for all the Jag fans at the crib.
Play fake. They throw a screen to the right to Leonard Fournette. Leonard to the 40, to the 45, into Colts territory, steps out of bounds as he gets into Colts territory at the 47-yard line. First down, Jacksonville. Lambeau from 55 yards. Cook puts it down. Lambeau kicks it up, and this kick is good. Josh Lambeau drills it from 55 yards, and it is a 29-26 game with 4:03 to play.
Let's get him off the field, fellas.
Good stuff right here, baby.
The leading scorer in the history of the league, a 52-yarder from the left hash. Sanchez gets it down, handles a high snap. Vinatieri kicks it up, and he missed it to the right. Adam Vinatieri missed to the right, and the Jags down 3, take over in tremendous field position. Instead, it's a handoff to T.J. Yeldon with some running room. He got it to the 35-yard line. He's going to be about a yard shy of the first down. Dropping is Blake. Looking, fires, crossing route, caught. Rashad Green makes the catch. Ball comes out at the end, but I think they're going to say he is down. The ball came out at the end. He is whistled down at the 25-yard line.
They're going to try to stop this, I think, upstairs because that ball looks like it may have been coming loose. And remember, they can overturn this.
The last play is under review.
Boy, this is very, very close.
Well, the game's over if it's a fumble.
From the appearance of it, it looks like the ball is out, and it's not really
Yeah,
moving
it is.
much, but it's out before the knee is down.
After reviewing the play, the runner did fumble the ball with a clear recovery by the defense at the 23-yard line.
A touchdown would have won the game. Your worst case scenario was going to be overtime, and then Rashad Green fumbled it away at the 25-yard line, and that was the difference, and the Colts won the game.
You talk about being a pro, you talk about having pride, you talk about staying together because, you know, if you don't, it only gets worse, you know what I'm saying, as it goes on. So we'll have a job to do. It's my job to keep everybody together and to make sure that we're all going on the right path to that.